The state government has decided to file a defamation suit against Trinamool Congress spokesperson Saket Gokhale for accusing an IAS officer of misusing $79.05 million or rupees 632 crore in the Meghalaya Ecotourism Infrastructure Development Project. The government rejected the TMC leader's allegations made on Monday. Deputy Chief Minister Prasthant Tinsong said that allegations should be substantiated with documents. Giving details of the MEIDP, Tinsong said that the government received a sanction of rupees 731 crore for implementing different segments of the project from 2022 to 2026. He also informed that the government had to create a special purpose vehicle or subsidiary under the name of Meghalayan Age Limited according to the guidelines of the bank. It may be mentioned that Gujarat police have detained Saket Gokhale over a tweet endorsing an alleged fake news about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Morbi after a bridge collapse incident there.
From our side, we have no more questions. Let me just tell you about this project. Externally aided project. Because see, the allegation should be substantiated with a document, but this man, it seems, he just know from here and then, and ultimately put it to public domain and just bring out the allegation in the form of statement, which is totally wrong, and we have no more patience.
Deputy Chief Minister Prasthant Tinsong has asserted that the MD